Hello and welcome to our crypto community. If you are familiar with the word of cryptocurrency, you've likely heard the saying, not your keys, not your coins. If this phrase is new to you, don't worry. I'm here to explain what it means in a simple way. This concept is crucial for anyone involved in crypto. The phrase not your keys, not your coins highlights a fundamental truth in the digital currency world. It means that if you store your cryptocurrency on platforms like FTX, US, or Blockfolio, you don't have full control over it. These platforms act like banks holding your crypto for you. However, the essence of cryptocurrency is about having personal control and freedom. To truly own your crypto, you need to hold it yourself, and for that, you require a secure cold storage device. There are popular devices like Ledger or Trezor known for their reliability. However, they can be quite bulky and sometimes complicated for beginners. Our aim in the crypto space is to empower each individual to have complete freedom and control over their assets. Today, we are excited to introduce groundbreaking cold storage device that's incredibly user-friendly. It's compact, about the size of a credit or debit card, making it convenient to carry around. We're talking about the innovative Arculus. This device comes equipped with a QR code which you can easily scan using your iPhone or Android device to get started. The Arculus card itself acts as your personal cold storage. It's straightforward to use, thoroughly tested for security, and empowers you to have total control over your cryptocurrency holdings. Let's dive deeper into the features of Arculus and its exceptional cold storage system. In the world of crypto, security breaches and hacking incidents are unfortunately common. You might not know this, but even services like MetaMask can be vulnerable if they're not linked to a secure cold storage solution. This is where Arculus comes in, offering robust protection for your digital wealth. It's designed as an air-gapped cryptocurrency hardware wallet, which means your private key remains safely offline, right in your pocket. The security of Arculus is enhanced with a 3-factor authentication system. To access your crypto, you'll need to use a personal identification number, PIN, your unique biometric data, and of course, your Arculus card. Each transaction requires a simple tap of the card against your smartphone, triggering the app to authorize any transfers. This level of security places Arculus a step ahead of any other wallets in the market. It's incredibly user-friendly, offers top-notch security without the need of regular charging, and its 3-factor authentication system is a significant advancement in crypto security. Purchasing Arculus is straightforward. Just visit their website, arculus.com, where you'll find it available at an affordable price. In addition to the Arculus card, there's a special designed crypto portfolio management app. This app allows you to buy, swap, send and receive various cryptocurrencies with just a simple tap of your Arculus card. While I usually advise caution when managing cryptocurrency on a constantly online mobile device, Arculus provides a secure way to do so. It's a robust cold storage solution that incorporates 3-factor authentication, supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, and is accompanied by a user-friendly app. This makes it an excellent tool for managing your crypto portfolio from anywhere in the world. According to Arculus Chief Innovation Officer Adam Lowy, the device is virtually unhackable due to its lack of direct connections or pairing with other devices. We are looking forward to exploring this feature in more details soon. The security features of Arculus are worth highlighting. To access your wallet, you start with the biometric lock, which ensures that only you can unlock it using your unique physical characteristics. Next, you'll need to enter a 6-digit number PIN, adding an extra layer of security. Finally, the Arculus keycard is required to complete the authentication process. The multi-step security ensures that only you can access your crypto holdings. One of the best aspects of Arculus's technology is its air-gapping feature. Unlike other cold storage options like Ledger or Trezor, you don't need a physical cord to connect Arculus to your computer or other devices. This makes it much simpler and more convenient to use. Arculus is also an excellent choice for businesses looking for secure crypto storage solutions. Setting it up is a breeze. First, download the Arculus Wallet app on your smartphone. The setup process is tailored to the type of phone you have, whether it's an iPhone or an Android device. The next step is to create your own 6-digit PIN. The PIN is a crucial part of your security, so choose something memorable but secure. After setting up your PIN, the most critical step is to write down your 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your key to recovering your crypto if you ever lose access to your Arculus card. It's essential to keep this phrase extremely safe. If you lose it, you risk losing access to your cryptocurrency. I always recommend making several copies of this recovery phrase and storing them in different secure locations. Once you've securely stored your recovery phrase and entered into the app, your Arculus wallet is ready to use. You can now store various types of cryptocurrencies in it, giving you a versatile and secure crypto management tool. Thank you so much for watching this in-depth review of Arculus. I'm genuinely excited to start using it and share my experiences with you. It's a highly secure cold storage device that's accessible and easy to use for a wide range of people. Whether you are new to crypto or a seasoned investor, Arculus offers a level of security and convenience that's hard to beat. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and comment below to share which cold wallet you currently use. Don't forget to check out Arculus for yourself. And remember, no matter which cold storage product you use, the most important thing is to keep your private seed phrase secure and safe. Arculus makes this easy, and I believe it's definitely worth considering for anyone in the crypto space. Thank you for watching.